how sickle cell and the circulatory system works. Our circulatory system transports blood, oxygen, nutrients, and waste products to and from cells throughout the body. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries. I'll answer the question that's on everybody's mind. What happens when you're diagnosed with sickle cell disease? I mean, what exactly is it that transforms our blood cells from these circle-shaped cells to these C-shaped cells that are synonymous with having sickle cell disease? Our journey together to understanding sickle cell begins in the bone marrow. This is where our blood cells are produced. In DNA, there are tiny instructions called genes that parents pass down to their children, just like passing down a family recipe. These instructions for unique genes or genotypes vary from person to person. Now, when two parents with the genotype AS have children, there are 25% chances for each child to inherit 2 copies of the sickle cell genes type SS, resulting in a form of genetic condition called sickle cell disease. Now, with type SS sickle cell disease, the body produces abnormal hemoglobin, known as hemoglobin S. This abnormal hemoglobin causes red blood cells to become rigid and form a crescent or sickled shape, which can block blood flow. Think of hemoglobin as a tiny worker in your blood. Its job is to carry oxygen, which helps your body have energy. Now, because the hemoglobin protein has an SS genetic instruction and produces these crescent-shaped blood cells, the misshapen cells can get stuck in blood vessels and not move around as well. Regular blood cells usually live in the body an average of 120 days. Sickled blood cells, on the other hand, due to loss of oxygen and hemolysis, have an average lifespan of about 10 to 20 days. The difference in blood cell lifespans can trigger adverse responses in the body of a person living with sickle cell disease. While some symptoms may be visible, many are not. Now let's recap what we already know. Sickle cell is one of the oldest genetic blood disorders to have been discovered in 1910 by Dr. James B. Herrick. Because it's a blood disorder that can impact any part of the body where blood flows, here are the top 10 symptoms to watch for. A note from us: it's important for individuals with sickle cell disease to work closely with trusted healthcare providers. You can do it, warriors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave us a note on what you'd like to see next in our next episode of Wellness Warrior TV.